You can turn this photo into this or maybe even this style using ChatGPT. So this is called low poly style, and usually if you want to create this photo you have to use Adobe Illustrator. But fortunately we can use ChatGPT to turn any photo that looks boring into something that looks more artistic, and I think this is going to be unique if you set it as a profile picture on your social media account. So let me show you how you can create this style using your own photo in ChatGPT. Alright, first let's go to chatgpt.com and then you can log in to your account. And for this demonstration, I'm going to be using this picture I got from Pixabay. Just right click, copy, and then paste it on ChatGPT. And of course, if you want to upload a picture, just click the plus button and then select the file that you want to turn into the low poly style. Now, there are two AI prompts that you could use. So the first prompt will give you this result. The second prompt will give you this result. So it's up to you which style that you think is the best. So the first prompt is basically going to give you this symmetrical result, while the second prompt is trying to maintain the original pose from the picture. So this is the prompt. You can pause this video and then you can try to copy this, or you can just go down to the video description and then just copy the full prompt. Again, I'm going to provide all the prompts in the video description. And here I'll try to use the first prompt. Let's copy and then paste that into ChatGPT. And then, oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that you can actually change a few things here. There are a lot of things that you can change, but perhaps you want to take a look at the aspect ratio. Right now, I'm going to be getting the horizontal aspect ratio, but if you want to get vertical or square, you can change the wording as well. You can just tell AI to create square or maybe vertical aspect ratio picture. And after that, you can enable create an image. This is the mode that you have to enable on ChatGPT. And after that, just send a message and wait for ChatGPT to generate the low poly version of your picture. Alright, so this is the result. Now, honestly, I don't know which one looks the best. And by the way, ChatGPT sometimes will create two pictures and you will ask whether the first picture or the second picture look the best. And in this case, I would say the first picture looks more faithful to the original photo. I mean, if you look at the expression of the guy, you can tell that this one looks way more similar. But on the other hand, I was asking for the horizontal aspect ratio, so this one is actually correct. So yeah, but either way, I think both of the pictures look great. And by the way, I tried using the second prompt, this prompt, and this is the result. So it's more artistic, but it will maintain the pose and the expression of the person. So I think if you want to get something that looks unique, then I do recommend to use the second prompt. So that's basically it. That's how you can create a simple low poly effect, or actually turning your photo into a low poly style using ChatGPT. And if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel. It will help me a lot, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.